Hi, this is Sammie W with Math Help. Okay, the question is, the midpoint of a line, segment AB, is 1, comma 2. Point A. Point A's coordinates are 3, comma negative 3. And point B coordinates are x, comma 7. This is the problem here, the x. We don't know it. We want to find the x, the value of x. So let's take a look at it and see how I laid it out and see if this works for you. You always want to draw your equation. You want to write up the equation. This helps you memorize this equation. Down the line, it's going to be very important. Always write up your equation first. Give us the points given. Let's label them x1, comma y1, x2, comma y2. So I started to write this whole thing out using this statement here that the midpoint equals this. And so I plug in the value of the midpoint that was given. Okay, 1, comma 2. But I got here and I realized, okay, so all I need to know is that 1 equals this guy. I didn't need to worry about this. All I need to know is 1 equals this. So I set it up. Multiply both sides by 2, your basic algebra. Here's a trick you may or may not know. When I take this 3 over, it changes sign. So I just, instead of subtracting 3 from both sides, I'll take it over as a negative. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So I found this value of x to be negative 1. I did a back check on it. I wanted to graph it, to take a look at it, to see, because I want to see that this point lies on that line. Oh, that's the end point? Yeah, that's the end point. So if this is the end point, then okay, then the midpoint has to lie here somewhere. So I wanted to verify that all of this stuff checked out. And so it wasn't necessary, but there's a little verification on there. See a graph like this, you just draw it up real quick, putting your points here. You want to put in points that, let me just show you, this is a 2, 2, 2. I went by 2s based on the fact that I had a number 7 here. That was my highest number. So I want to cover the whole grid. I don't want to be squeezed in here. I don't want to come way out here where I can't get everything on the graph. So that's how you draw up the graphs. You draw them up what we call quick and dirty. Draw that line, label it, put the origin in. Go by 1s, 2s, 4s, 5s. Those are the kind of numbers you want to go by. You really want to go by 3s. I never do. 1s, 2, 4, 5, 10. You can go 5, 10. You don't want to go 6s, things like that. All those things are part of it. But hopefully the solution is correct. And it looks like it's correct. Hopefully it was helpful to you. This is Sammie W with Math Help. I'm always here to help. Thank you very much.